Are you ready to keep your garden looking amazing this July? In today's video, I'm going to share the ultimate tips to care for your plants during the hottest month of the year. Whether you have a backyard oasis or a cozy balcony garden, I've got you covered. So grab your gardening gloves and let's dive right in. July is a fantastic month for gardens, but with the heat soaring, it can be challenging to keep your plants happy and healthy. Don't worry. Here's how you can ensure your plants not only survive, but thrive in the sizzling summer sun. 1. Watering wisely. First things first, let's talk about watering. It's crucial to water your plants deeply and thoroughly. But the key is timing. Early in the morning or late in the evening when the sun isn't as strong. This helps the water soak into the soil rather than evaporating quickly. Your plants will thank you with lush green leaves. Simply stick your finger into the soil up to your knuckle. Feels dry? It's time to water. If it's still moist, hold off for a day or two. Remember, overwatering can be just as harmful as underwatering. 2. Mulching magic. Next up, let's talk about mulch. Adding a layer of mulch around your plants can work wonders. It keeps the soil cool, helps retain moisture, and prevents weeds from stealing nutrients. Plus, it gives your garden a neat and tidy look. Use organic mulch, like wood chips, straw, or even grass clippings. Look at the difference mulch makes. These plants with mulch are thriving compared to those without it. So if you haven't mulched yet, now's the perfect time to do it. 3. Feeding your plants. In July, your plants are growing fast and using up nutrients quickly. Give them a boost with a balanced fertilizer. A slow release or liquid fertilizer works best. But be careful not to overdo it. Follow the instructions on the package, and your plants will get the right amount of nutrients they need. I like to feed my plants every 2-3 weeks during the summer. It keeps them strong and helps them produce beautiful blooms and bountiful harvests. 4. Protecting from the sun. Just like us, plants can get sunburned. If you notice scorched leaves or wilting, it might be too much sun. Provide some shade using garden fabric, an umbrella, or even a piece of lattice. For potted plants, you can move them to a shadier spot during the hottest part of the day. See how this shade cloth provides just the right amount of protection? Your plants will stay cooler and less stressed under the summer sun. 5. Pruning and deadheading. Finally, don't forget to prune and deadhead. Removing dead or dying flowers encourages new growth and keeps your garden looking fresh. Trim any overgrown branches to improve air circulation and reduce the risk of disease. Pruning might seem daunting, but it's like giving your plants a haircut. They'll look better and grow stronger after a good trim. And there you have it! With these simple tips, your plants will not only survive, but thrive in July's heat. Remember, water wisely, mulch, feed, protect from the sun, and prune regularly. Your garden will thank you with vibrant colors and abundant growth. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. See you in the next video, and happy gardening!